Hi everyone, my name's Peter Cooley, CEO of First Hand Solutions Aboriginal Corporation and also proud Aboriginal man from the Perouse Aboriginal community and also creator of IndigiGrow. IndigiGrow is a project that supports our young people in community here by providing an opportunity for employment through an apprenticeship, and as part of that apprenticeship they learn about our local plant species and also have cultural knowledge passed down from knowledge holders and elders in the community about our local plants. We're also running a couple of nurseries here and a couple of areas of growing areas where we actually grow the plants. Here today we've got a group from MONEYME who are helping us along with preparing an area for planting out of a lot of our local species that grow on our coastline. The species are currently listed as critically endangered, and that's a major part of the work we do at IndigiGrow, working on those species to try and revive them and increase that biodiversity on our coast.
Hello, we're here today with the MONEYME crew helping IndigiGrow on their nursery here in Perouse, Sydney. We're helping clear out some space and ensure we've got good space to plant some critically endangered plants such as the Eastern Banksia scrub. We want to make sure that we're supporting IndigiGrow's super crucial mission of reviving the plant community here on the coastal line of Perouse, Sydney. What we're doing today here is a very, very important step towards sustainability and towards reviving this plant community. We are very lucky to have IndigiGrow welcome us here today and show us around their nursery. We're so lucky to be able to support them, and we're doing different nursery tasks to help with critically endangered plants.
We're here at IndigiGrow today to help out with the nursery. We're cleaning out beds with weeds, we're fixing up the fence, we're clearing some plants with some other weeds. We're just really here to support them and their mission in expanding the coastline. This is one day going to be their seed garden where they can gather plants to repopulate coastal plains throughout New South Wales. Yeah, so the first thing we did is we went and took a walk through the Perouse headlands and heard a yarn from Peter, the CEO of IndigiGrow, about what this land means to him and how endangered it really is. And so we're really excited to be out here and helping IndigiGrow in any way that we can. And this is a great opportunity to connect with the country and connect with the land and learn more about it.
How are you today, Kieran?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
Very good, thank you. Where are we today?
We're at IndigiGrow. We're doing a bit of cultural learning and helping out the local business to thrive.
Beautiful. What kind of tasks are we doing today?
So we went for a little bit of a walk, learned about the local culture. And at the moment we're just helping them do some weeding, helping to clear a lot of the invasive species which are coming into growth around the stuff that they're trying to propagate.
Beautiful. How's your experience so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's a fantastic day. It's always nice getting outside and doing a bit of gardening, and it's always just nice to do some volunteer work.
What are your thoughts on IndigiGrow and the work that they're doing?
I think it's fantastic. I mean, we've been taught by them just the amount of natural growth that's been gone and due to urban development, and they're really pushing to kind of get a lot of that natural plantation back and just to make sure that it doesn't get lost.
Beautiful. Is this your first time here today?
No, this is my second time. This is definitely more fun every time I come back.
Hi, I'm Jay Cook. I'm the nursery manager for the Matraville nursery at IndigiGrow. So I started at IndigiGrow on the 4th of April 2020. I've since moved through my apprenticeship and I was the first apprentice to go through it. I'm now managing the second nursery that we have at IndigiGrow. The benefit of having groups like this is it helps us keep up with a lot of our work. So we have quite a small crew, and that being spread out over 2 different nurseries, it's quite hard to maintain 40,000 plants at least in each nursery. So 80,000 plants all up. So yeah, having you guys come out and weed, that helps out amazingly. And the potting up as well, that keeps us moving stuff on with the production line. And not only that, it's just good for us to get out and talk to other people from other companies and stuff. It changes our day up and it changes your guys' day up as well. And it's just all around fun thing, and we get to teach people and also learn ourselves.
Hey Mark, how are you today?
Very good, very good. Beautiful
That's great.
day. Yeah.
How are you feeling today here at the IndigiGrow nursery?
It's very good, very interesting. Yeah, fantastic to learn a bit more about heritage of Australia and how everything used to be, I guess, 200, 300, 400, 500 years ago.
Beautiful. Yeah. And what are we doing here today?
Yeah, we're doing a bit of a clean-up today. Cleaning up all that area here to plant more trees, I guess, moving forward.